So hey guys, welcome back to my new vlog this new year. So guys, this vlog is just going to be about my vacation prep. Yep, so I'm traveling with my husband this Valentine period. We're actually going to a beach house in Lagos. So yeah, so today I'm going to retouch my hair because my friend told me that I need to retouch my hair. I've already booked my hair appointment tomorrow, which is Friday. So today is Thursday. I just want to go and retouch my hair. So that according to her, she said I need to retouch it so that the hair that I'm going to make is actually going to look cute and sick. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, let's go retouch it tomorrow. We'll go and make it.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send you.
It even came with a card. Okay, the packaging is so nice. I actually want to unbox my tripod for TikTok, so after that I'll just show you guys what it looks like. Good morning. Today is the next day. Today is Friday. I'm heading to go make my hair. My friend have been there already, she have been calling me 1 hour late. She booked the hair actually by 8 o'clock, but this is 10 minutes past 9, sorry, 11 minutes now, but I will soon get there. Yes, we're almost there. So yeah, let's go. Okay, now my guys them know me since 06. I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy lady,
Okay, traffic sections will be moved as model forward over
is upstairs. So in case you need anything,
we come and hit the drum.
the drum is our intercom. Just beat the drum, and we don't knock here. So whenever you hear the drum, it means they need your attention outside. And if you don't want to be disturbed, you can just carry the drum inside. The do not disturb sign is here, so they know that you don't want to be disturbed. So if you need anything, just beat the drum. They will attend to you.